All right, today we're going to be talking about graphing linear equations. Now, our first equation here we have is y equals 1/2 x. Now, in order to graph a linear equation, you have to remember y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Okay? M is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Well, here we can see, okay, our slope is 1/2. And we don't have a y-intercept, so in this case we'd say our y-intercept is 0. Now, the y-intercept is where the line crosses this y-axis, okay? This y-axis right here, this line. Where does it cross this line here? Now, since the y-intercept is 0, that means it's going to cross at 0. Right there is our first point. So we're going to mark it. Now, slope is represented by it shows our rise over our run. So it shows the amount we go up, the number of units we go up, number of units we rise, versus the number of units we run, that we go over. So we go up 1, and over 2. So our second point will be right there, 1 over 2. Now, you need to know you only need 2 points. Only need 2 points to graph a line. So that means that we are done. Now, let's try a second one. This one is y equals negative x plus 3. Y equals negative x plus 3. So our slope is right there. It's negative. There's just a negative. Well, we know that that's negative 1. So our slope is negative 1. And our y-intercept, okay, is right here. It's positive 3, so 3. So that means that our line is going to be crossing the y-axis. Remember, the y-axis is this one going right down the center. The y-axis at positive 3. So 1, 2, 3. Our first point is going to be right there. Now, because the slope is negative, that means, okay, when you have a negative slope, you know the line will be going. Line goes down from left to right. So we're going to go down 1 and over 1, because then our line will go down from left to right, and you only need 2 points to graph a line, and that's how you graph linear equations.